everybody. Hey, this is Richard, live stream 28. Welcome to my channel. What you gonna do when corrections are help you? Hey, I'm using OBS software. I'm trying something new here. This double screen here, and if it's your first time watching my video, let's go over here. I use OBS software, and I put all these screens up, sources up, to the pictures. So let's take care of some of this issues. Let's take care of some of this. First thing we got to do is this: take the oath. I will defend the Constitution. You know that every judge, every police officer, every politician, commissioner, mayor, you know, they took the pledge to defend the Constitution. But somehow, in the right like canvas scam, they don't follow, they don't defend the Constitution. They defend the criminal. You know why? Because it's a perfect scam. Remember, they are professional criminals, and they know this how this works. When you let the criminal help write the rules to the program, they gonna give you liability. What I mean by liability, they gonna write it so you make mistakes and you forced to defend them. Cause everybody got liability. And remember, you people in government, you're like narcissists. They gonna admit you got fooled. You ready to go down and try to defend them. And guess what? There are 412 cities, 67 counties in the state of Florida. Do everyone under the red light camera? And the answer is no. You know why? Because they know you get some ethical people in these city and county. They know that they know about the Constitution. You know what the Constitution is? Is the land of the law. Here's the land of the law. Basically, this is the foundation of all laws should be based on. They got to meet the requirement of the U.S. Constitution. If it don't meet it, it's null and void. It's illegal. And that's what happened in this scam. The red light company wrote the rules. Their rules don't match proper procedure, protocol. Their system is bypassed any normal procedure. What I mean by that is what we're going to talk about today. Is what bothered me is this: I spoke at county commission meetings, city meetings. I made over 70 complaints. I wrote letters, complaints to administration of court, clerk of court, commissioner, city commissioner. I talk about this. What they do in this scam is real simple. This is what we're going to get on today. This is how simple it is. First, I'm going to move up to, before we get into that scam, we're going to go take care of some things here. First thing is this. This channel is about for you to get your money. And the best way to get your money, if you're a victim of this scam, you know, really can't scam, I'm going to get your money. But you guys to do your part. You got to share and like my video and let everybody know I'm going to get your money. I'm going to be writing a notice of claim. And they give it to everybody. Okay, remember I used to do real estate, so I know how to write contract agreements. And I'm going to write one, so I'm going to start legally protest, or like these first Friday events, have a booth, and hand out the letter, notice, hey, I'll get your contact number. Hey, you tell the city you entitled this much money from a red light scam. But right now, what they do in this scam, all the government agencies got liability from this scam. So they're going to gang up on you. This is what this scam is all about. They got all the government agency against you, an individual. And what the 14th Amendment is all about is equal protection of the law. And that's what they violate, your civil rights. Because in this scam, I'll show you, and like I did in other videos. Let's get back to, let's get down to here, my Facebook art. My Facebook page is my notebook. I got over 400 articles about the red light scam here. And check it out. So I'm going to get back to the store. I'm going to get back down here and point some things out. Let's go right here. The top of this here, basically what I'm talking about. What happening is this in the scam. you get one of these letters. This one right here. This is, first of all, I do this with the guy. Okay, first of all, it's a letter from the camera company pretending to be the police department. And everything they write on here are lies. They don't match constitutional law or uniform traffic law. Uniform traffic law is this. It's like the Constitution. Exactly the same. Change. Do not change. It's not individual. What they do is they private businesses, like the insurance business, now the camera business, they go to the politician and say, hey, write some rules for our product or services. But the way they write it, bypassing constitutional rights. Okay, and that's what's perfect about these scams. That's what we got fixed. Equal protection is no businesses above any other businesses or people rights. Okay, in this scam, they wrote to take away your power and constitutional right. So let's get back to this, what I'm talking about. I'll make it quick. This letter is a violation notice. Okay? And I noticed one thing. They don't follow their own rules, what they're writing about. Okay? Because what happened is, even their own rules, this here, violation notice, in Florida statute 318 or 316, they said they give you 45 days. Hang on, I'm going to find a 45-day notice. Okay, hang on down. 45-day notice. I got a bunch of stuff here on my, there you go, 40-day notice. This is their own rules they do not follow. So what happened in this scam, okay, in this scam, they process everybody, not due process. What I mean is, there's no check and balance, no verification in this scam. I go inform, I made all the complaints. And tell, hey, there ain't no verification from one agency to the next. What they do in this scam is look the other way. That's why I got to prosecute everybody. So there's so many things wrong. Let's try to stay on focus, Rick. Okay, so here's your violation notice. Okay, so what this article about is this. Okay, you see this notice here? This city of Tampa. I went to the city of Tampa last month, finding if they mailed this to me. And guess what they did at the courthouse? They refuse to tell me They refuse to tell me that they send it. They'll collect your money there, really. But when you ask questions, they send you someplace else. Then you go to the police department. Then they send you to a phone number. You make that phone call, they don't answer or call you back. So that's the problem of this scam right here. The New Jersey talking about out of state. It's basically out of county too. I'm the next county over, and the computer systems do not verify or check and balance what the other county do, but when you try to go to court, they got this, called they go get a arraignment hearing, and they'll say state versus you, the owner of the vehicle. Okay, remember, the state and the city police are two different agencies. They got the wrong party in court. So when I went to court, I say, judge, they say state versus defendant. Where's the state at? They not here. You got the city police here. You just missed the case. They don't follow the law at all. So let's get back to this. Here's your violation notice. Okay. Then you go to here's your violation. Okay. They give you 60 days to respond. But the letter I show you here, their own rules, they got the 45 days. They got 45 days to send you this letter, the citation letter. You see? So now they fall on a false police report. Okay? Because remember, they know it's illegal. Okay? And let's go down here. And what happened is, since they file a police report, they just came in and defraud us now. They know it's illegal, it's your processing us. So that's what we got to fix. And I go and speak at these events, and nobody wants to fix it. I'm going to sue them to fix it now. So let's get back to this story. Okay, hang on, I'll get straight back over. So what happened is, once you don't pay the violation notice, citation, then they'll give you a suspension of driver license notice. And what happened here, the suspension of driver license notice, they process you. Because when I received my suspension of driver license, I had 12-day respond or 20-day respond. By law, in normal court procedure, all court, you're entitled to 30-day respond to the court. That's the other problem with this scam is this. This scam is a process program. What happened is no check and balance. What happened is if you send a letter to the judge, say a motion to the court, or something like, or respond to an affidavit, it do not show up. No, okay. What happened is if I wrote them a letter, a citation letter. I'm gonna do this here. The city of Tampa, the citation letter. Okay, I'm gonna write a letter, the affidavit. And I'm going to wait till the very last day till I do it by law. Okay? But guess what happened? Somebody at the police department automatically processed it to suspend your driver license while you're responding to that affidavit. And that's that part about this scam. They missed that part of this. And in the scam, they don't check. If individuals do not check in the computer system, there was somebody responding to the court. Because by law, in any normal court procedure, if you find paperwork with the court, they got to stop what they do and address that. And this scam, they did not address court procedures. They violate your constitutional right, court procedures. That's the other problem with this scam. The other thing is this, in this scam. Say, I'll go back up here. We'll go all the way back up on my screen. Okay, here we go. The summit. Let's talk about the summit. Here what the issue. So now they don't. Here what it says unethical. You see this letter right here? Citation letter. I had not received it in the mail yet. That's how dirty they are. Okay, because they want to suspend your driver's license, put your ass in jail, so you had to go the process system. I'm going to explain how dirty they are, unethical. See, what happened is the law come down to one word. It's your intention. Is it ethical or non-ethical? And in this scam, they completely unethical what they do. Like I said, I can point out 100 things wrong. None of them are ethical. Okay, they lie and cheat, and they don't follow process or procedure or nothing. They don't follow their own rules. But what happened is, I got a video. I'll put it on eventually. In the California, LA County, and I think 2014 they quit doing the red light camera because what happened is they're not mailing out the notices. And what happened? Everybody gets spent in a driver's license. They don't spend it like me. I got my driver's license spent like 3 times already. Never received a Spencer driving notice in the mail. Okay, you got no clue your license was suspended. And that's what we're trying to work on. Let's go back. This is what this politician is talking about. People from different states. So what we got to do is this. Go back to uniform traffic law. So what happened? The camera system violate your constitutional right, your power. What they do is they bypass uniform traffic law. What happened? What happened is you need to go to like a patrol officer. See, the 14th Amendment is equal protection. So that means the camera company got no benefit or more authority than a state cop or patrol officer related to red light tickets. Okay, what I mean by this, we got to go back to the rules. The police officer stop you. Okay, so if your infraction is serious, you get summoned to court, see the judge. In this scam, you got no summit to traffic court. What get me fixed is this. So when they don't send you these letters out, okay, Spencer driver license citation letters out, they remember DMV process you. Remember you entitled to 30 days. As soon as they get us, 12 days, 20 days. That's violate your other rights. You allowed to respond. See, all the government agency processing violate your power, your legal rights. So when they so what we're going to fix is this, like this guy, politician talking about, is this. We got to go to hell with the cameras, cops got to issue a citation, a letter, some kind of ticket, be present, because what happened is, what we got to do now is, say when they spend your driver's license you don't know about, cop pull over, they automatically take you to jail. What we got to do is have them start what we got to do now is get them to do this. Now, issue a summit to compare in court. See, this is how perfect this scam is, that in a red light camera scam, they don't want nobody to talk to the judge. So I'm going to show you an article, what I'm talking about a couple weeks ago. Okay, look here. Everything they do in this scam is lies. And I'm going to find something here. Let me go back up. Here it is. This is the story I love. And I contacted the government about this. What happened in this, what they do in a court system is this. They process everybody. They know they ain't got no case. State attorney office got no case. Police ain't got no case. All they do is get you to court, and you go through court procedure, arraignment hearing. All you do, you get in front of the judge. You think you're able to talk to the judge. You never able to talk to the judge. All you do is answer yes or no questions. Then you go to the next case. Then they get money out of you. They go to the next case. What they do is, when they get the money, okay, you think you're going back to court and talk to the judge. You never. Then they dismiss your case. That's what we have fixed. All these unethical practices here. Okay, that's why the perfect scam. The judges, but first of all, the traffic judge is corrupt. Okay, they got no intention to follow the law. Okay, so let's get back to the traffic summit. They got no intention to follow the law correctly in this scam. And I'm gonna go back to the close up. Hold up. There we go, close up. So that's what I'm talking about. And this scam is a process system, and none of it, okay, they don't follow the law. The city, this department don't follow the law. DMV don't follow the law. The police officer, they don't issue a, if you don't like us to benefit a red light scam, then the cops need to issue this, send it to court. What they do, send you to jail. That's not right. We got to fix it. So that's how my topic going to be tonight. And I got the next one going to be, like I said, about notice of claim. That's how you get them back. Because what happened is they individualize everybody. They gang up on you. So if I start passing out thousands of notice of claim and tell me how to get their money, then they got to investigate my allegation, and if I'm right, they'll impeach the Florida Supreme Court for trying to defend the camera company. Okay, so I'm going to get you guys, everybody, money. I'm going to try to get my $200. I'm going to take a letter to the city soon. Tell them to fire the city attorney. Okay? And then I'm going to show up and say, hey, in 2 weeks, I'm coming with a settlement letter. And I'll bring that letter. I'm going to go to the city committee. And if he ain't fired by the time I'm there, then I'm going to ask the police chief do a citizen arrest. We'll arrest the city attorney. Okay? So we'll be working on it. So thank you for tuning in. I'm going to get off here. And we'll go to my wide screen. Here we go. We'll get out of here. And thank you for joining this live stream. What you